Here we are after day 2 of the gazebo stabilization project and rebuild. There's of course new supporting wood up there, new wood to replace the rotting stuff over there. You can probably tell that it's now much more level than it was before, and it's been jacked up about 3 or 4 inches. So here's the double supports and new new supports that were installed. These little braces are just temporary. There's a final brace that's going to go on here that's going to actually be made out of steel to do these supports. And so, yeah, got all this stuff done in 2 days. They are hard at work while I was at work, and I think they're doing a pretty good job. Looks real good.